So when you're coming into a new town or city, you first want to do your homework. You want to be looking on iOverlander or another app that you prefer to find a spot that has been proven to be safe. Preferably, you want to find a spot that has been reviewed within the past year. Now, once you get to your spot, the first thing you want to do is make sure that there hasn't been any added signs that say no parking. That is the dreaded get out of there. So let's give you this example here. We just got here to Pensacola and we are looking to park here. This place was recommended. Somebody crashed in here, not good. So on the street here, yes, there are 2-hour parking limits. So we're not going to be parking here. Over here though, there does not appear to be any signage. This whole beautiful roundabout on the ocean seems to be okay. Features here, we got some water. Got plenty of garbages all around. A beautiful view. We got some power boxes here, although you'd have to be pretty desperate to use them because that's kind of rude. If you park at a truck stop, make sure to park away from where all the transports park. And for God's sakes, don't sleep in the parking lot of a bar like I did.